Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Pokemon Lucario. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Lucario, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come up like this. Next I'm going to bring this line around and just kind of curve it up. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up. And then we're going to put a little line inside there. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. And then I'm going to curve it down. And then I'm going to curve this down here. I'm going to leave we'll just go ahead and we'll make a little line that comes down. And then we'll make another little line right here for the neck. I'll bring a little line that's going to come up. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come right up here, really tall for the ear. I'm going to curve this down. I'm going to bring a little line over. I'm going to bring this line up with a curve, and then we're going to bring it down. Then I'm going to bring this line down here. Now, starting here, we'll make a little line that's just going to curve up and down for the mouth. And then right here, I'll make a little line that comes up. And then I'm going to bring it all the way back to here. Next, I'm going to bring a little line down, and then I'm going to bring this up. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go down and then bring it up. Now for inside the ear, we're going to make an upside down V shape in each one. And then we'll make a smaller little V shape right here. I'm going to make a couple little triangle shapes here at the bottom of the neck. And then I'm going to make a few little points on each side. Make another one here, and then one here. Bring a little line down. Then I'll make a sideways V shape with a curve for like the big spike coming out of the chest. I'm going to bring this line down. And then right here I'm going to make a little curve. A little curve here. And then a line's going to go down and up. Bring this line in and down. Then I'm going to curve this line down here for the legs. And I'm going to bring this line out and down here. Curve this line in and up. Go over. Then I'll bring this line down, over, and connect. Start here, I'm going to bring this line down. Put a couple little points here, and then I'm going to curve it up. Then I'm going to curve this line here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make the other side of the arm, so we're just going to curve a line down here. I'm going to bring this line down, and this line down here. I'm going to curve this down, and I'm going to curve this down. We'll make a line that goes up, down, and curves around for like a spike. curve this line around, one here, and then one here. And then we'll connect that there. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line out, and I'm going to draw this line out. I'm going to bring this one up, and then I'll make another big spike on here. I'm going to curve this one around a couple times, so I'll put 1, 2, and 3 little curved lines. And then we'll just bring it back to here. Line goes up and down, and then up and down. We'll make one that goes in, and then out, and then back in. I'll put 2 little lines here, and 2 little lines right here. I'll make a little curve, and a line that comes down. Bring a line that comes out, and we'll just curve this around. One here, and one here. Bring this in. We're going to come in here, and then in there. We'll make a little line there. Make a little line down. Another one here that comes straight down. Then I'll make a big curve here. One more here, and then one more here. I'm going to bring this up. We're going to come in and then up here. Put a little curve here. Then we'll add a couple little points right there. We'll add another little line right here. Next, we're going to draw the tail. So starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to angle it down. I'll bring this line up, and we'll connect it here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves around and then comes back up here. And then one more right here. I'll draw a little line down here. And then one more that curves around and comes up here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Pokemon Lucario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.